Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Vivian from the Paper Letter blog, and today I'm here with a feather themed snail mail video. So this video is probably going to be a lot of music and not a lot of talking. As you can hear, I have my door open because it's a beautiful sunny day in October, who knew? So I have a lot of background noise that I want to tune out, and I'm also feeling slightly under the weather, so I don't really feel like talking much. I usually start with picking out an envelope where you look at my cute new plants. I think it's so cute. I don't know if I can make some space. Okay, so this is my envelope box. I have all the paper envelopes here, but I know that I have some feather envelopes. Look, there we go. So I have these three. I'll be choosing one of those when I know a little bit more about the colors of my letter. I should probably show you that this is sort of see-through, so that gives a really cool effect when you put in some pretty paper as well. I have my letter paper. I want to tell you about this letter paper because I have a new printer. I don't know why that excites me so much, but I have a new printer and that makes me very happy because now I can finally print letter paper. So what I did is I went to Etsy and I bought this letter paper from the Happy Mail Studio. I'll put a link in the description down below. I bought this paper and I printed it out, and this is what it looks like. I have one, this is the boho themed set, I think. This one doesn't have any feathers, but this one does. And I think it looks really cute. I'm not going to write the letter on camera, but I will put this in my mail so that you know what it looks like. So next up I'm just going to create some goodies and I will speed through that. So I think I'm sort of done. I just need to find a way to fit all this into my envelope. I've decided to use the blue and red envelope because I have a couple matching elements. So I think I'm just gonna fold this. So we have the letter, which I'm still going to write with the feather paper. We have a feather coloring page. We have some feather sticky notes. We have a feather stamped mail tag. We have stickers, which have a lot of feather items in them. We have washi tape with feathers and washi tape with those dream catchers. I also have them in the stickers. Did I forget anything? Oh, let me make this look a little bit prettier. Yeah, I think I'm just going to stick everything. Stack it. And then I have some blue baker's twine. And oh, I almost forgot. I picked up a real feather in the park. I mean, what's a feather themed snail mail if there isn't a real feather, right? This is just a chicken feather that was dropped in the park nearby. I'm sure the chicken is all right. I didn't pluck him or anything. So for the assembling, I'm just going to put this cute little tag. It has like watercolor feathers and it just says Dear Ava. Unfortunately, I cannot draw feathers, so I just drew a flower and our little washi sample tag. Let's see, can I cut this off? Little washi sample tag, and I wanted to include some tea, but since it's such beautiful weather, I think I will leave the tea for a more winter themed snail mail instead. Top. And then I think that's it. Just going to pop it in the envelope so you can see what it looks like. Of course, I would be putting the address on here, but then you have this little package. It's not too heavy, so then you can send it across the world as well. Yeah, so I think that's it for now. Obviously, I will first write the letter and then send this cute little package. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some inspiration to write letters again, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye bye.